Here's a quick look at the markets from the E-mini day trader perspective for Friday, March 27th, 2009. This is a shortened version of the members version, shortened and also not nearly the kind of detail. But just to give you an idea of what we were doing today, what we were thinking, and what we expect the market to do in the short term. Here's our overlays again. I'm sorry, they're overnight, not overlays. And we can see here that a very big session overnight, but it didn't go anywhere. Traded basically just as an inside day compared to what happened on Thursday. The market did try and slip down here today, but did not do a very good job of it. I'm expecting the market to have some bounce to it come early next week, although we're certainly looking at support in the market for other opportunities to get long, which would be the preferred side of trading right now, somewhere in the area of probably in the area of either around the 803 area or down as low as 795. Consider both of those areas to be very good support come early next week. So we'll see how that tests. And of course the most recent is the high that was made this week up around 831, and that's obviously the resistance at this point going into the market next week. We had many trades today, a lot more than we usually get. We had 9 trades today, and we were break even on only one of them. All the other trades made money. We had no losing trades. We just had a phenomenal day, over 28 points today, which rounded out the week for a gain of around 66 points or $3,300. So one of our better weeks. We certainly don't do that every week, but it's nice to see it happen when it does. As far as our individual trades were concerned this day, on today, we had our deceleration right in here. So this is our first trade long. We had a couple decelerations short, so we got short off of them. All 3 of those trades made money. Sorry, one of those trades was the break even. We had another deceleration here, but then we had a long shortly thereafter. And so we're getting a lot of trades here today. We then got a short off of a nice deceleration right here to carry us down for a very nice move, so we're able to participate in a nice down auction there. Market moved some 6 points in our favor on that trade. Then we got another trade to get short as the market formed one of our shaded areas here, so we're able to get short in there. Another successful trade as the market moved around and showed some lift to it. We got long on our balance area as it dipped into this area, which worked out nicely again. And then to finish the day, we had, let me see, yeah, that was it. That finished the day. So we had 9 trades today, and I'm sorry, there was one other trade that we had, and that was a long trade when the market rallied up here. We were able to use this balance area. That was the last trade for the day. So just a tremendous day of trading, and even on a day with a relatively small range, it was only around 12-13 point range today. So nice to see the system generate so many trades and so many consecutive successful trades. So I know I'm blowing our horn here, but we're very pleased to see our system perform so well, even on days like today, when the market is really much more in a consolidation mode than anything else. Love to hear from you. We're at eminidaytrader.com, or just send us an email at info@eminidaytrader.com. If you've got any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. We've had, just for an example, we had one of our members join. He just finished his second week, and he had over $1,500 day today. So now he's an experienced trader. And he's come in and learned the system very quickly and is doing exceptionally well. Certainly all traders don't do that. They take a little bit more time to sort of get fluent in our trading system. and especially traders who don't have a lot of experience. But just the same, anyone is capable of doing that. So we're just really thrilled to see so many of our members making really making some substantial gains, some good profits right now, as well as getting on board with our system and getting on board very quickly with the series of text and videos that we have for our members, including our 3.5 hour video. Or I'm sorry, it's a 3.5 hour video on the market profile. We take it right from ground zero all the way up through our advanced techniques, and that's just part of what the members receive, along with all of our manual and text and videos describing in detail our view of looking at the market, how we identify key structures, and of course our exact trade setups and triggers, and management. So just blowing our horn there a little bit, but if we don't do it, then who will, kind of thing. So, and we also want to let everyone listening to this video just get a better handle on what sort of profits are being made with the E-mini Day Trader system right now. So I'd love to hear from you. Info@eminidaytrader.com. That'll be it for Friday, March 27th, 2009.